Hi, this is Ethan.
Hi, this is Irene.
Many customers ask us what is the most profitable training machine right now. It is the full case printing vending machine. Let us show you our factory today. Come on in. So this is our showroom, and first floor is our sales and marketing office, and second floor is R&D center. We have third floor and second floor. The third floor is our production center, and the third floor is the warehouse. And to be very, very real, this video will not gonna be stopped. We will keep shooting continuously, and this video will be 30 minutes long. Erin, give me the list. Okay. Okay. At the end of this video, we have a FAQ video, a full list. If you're in a rush, you can skip to the end of the video and download this full FAQ from our website and also from the YouTube description. Okay. So we're gonna open in the second floor now. Go this way first. The second floor is the main production line. We will walk you through. And so you can see all of this is the machine in stock. We have for about 300 set of machines being produced and in stock. So right now, we can produce 20 machines in one day, and we estimate to produce 500 sets to 600 sets per month every month. So you can see this is a very large factory with many, many machines in stock. Still many. Okay. Come on in. Let's show us the another side of the factory. Let's go. Yeah, being produced. Let's have a very short look inside of the production process. You can see everything is in store, assembly very tightly, and that's the ink and printer. This is the main board, and this part is the full case. Put the full case, and right now this machine is ready to complete and finish a final testing. Just look at here. Okay. Oh, sorry. Hot there. Okay. Okay. Oh, sorry. Look at that. And this is the parts. All the parts we are self-developed, so we can ensure a very professional problem solving, and we have the ability to solve all the questions, all the problems machine have, both on the part, the machine, and the software. We all self-developed. Okay, let's go. These are the machines, complete assembling, and right now it's under testing. So you can see we will test the testing automatically. We'll ensure every function will have enough time for testing before we pack and ship the goods. And right now, so all this is under testing. Let's check on that. These are the machines will completely finish production and testing. Right now is ready for packing. Okay, it's customer machine right now ready for packing. For the packing, and the first we'll put the soft packing first, and then put in a wooden box. When you receive the machine, it will be in a wooden box, so it's very, very safe. Okay. Okay, let's move on to third floor for the warehouse of our focus. Okay, right now this is the warehouse of the focus. We are building a dust-free warehouse, but it's on the process. So after that, you need a very close before you go inside. Okay, so you can see, have a total look first, have a total look first, have total look first, very big. And you can see we have many focus. The latest model, everything from this side to that side. iPhone 16, 15, Samsung, everything. We have the hot models of like in the past 5 years, maybe. So the most focus model, most brand is iPhone and then Samsung. And of all this warehouse, it estimates 1 million cases in stock. It's 1 million pieces of focus in stock. So you don't need to worry if we don't have in stock, no matter how big order quantity, we can supply in a very short time. Okay. Like I said, the focus is dust free. And right now it's the packing. The packing area of the focuses. And also we have another same size factory. Well, you can see we have extra spaces because we just moved in this new factory. We still have the capacity to produce more. Right now, our capacity, the production capacity is 500, 600 per month. But after that, if orders keep pouring in, we still have the ability to support much bigger production capacity. So this will be a very big space still available. And there will be a lot of space available too. So feel free to order. Don't worry. Okay, let's turn back. Let's turn back to the elevator. And we are going to the first floor. And we will start the FAQ part on the showroom by the machine. Okay, go. Okay, let's wait for the elevator. Actually, today is very, very hot. To be very professional, I wear it very close. It's extremely hot. So now we are going to be in the FAQ part list. And Erin will act like a customer role, and he will answer the question, and I will, he will ask the question, and I will answer, and we will do step by step the list. There are 7 pages long, and we will put this document in our website, also the video link. So feel free to download it if you want to. Almost there. Because customers still over here, so let's take. So let's start the question, maybe.
So, how much money can this machine make?
Can you speak louder because I can't hear.
How much money can this machine make? Do you have a real result from your customers?
Well, based on our real data, this machine already shipped to over 30 countries. Right? Of all the big data show, the very good profit per day, the max profit per day is $800 per day, but you need to have a very good location. An average on the big data, can get 300 to 500 income per day. Okay.
So,
and location is very important, so you need to ensure the location has a very high traffic to get a better profit. Next.
what's the total price including delivery to my location?
Well, the total, this machine itself is $8,000 US, and we will ship a package to you, like from the machine, 4 cases, machine, 4 cases, and necessary parts, including sales, tax, and all this add up together to United States, it's about 16,000, and to Europe, it's about 13,000 Europe. Okay.
So, how many phone models does it support?
Let's open the machine to show you. Okay. We can see the machine inside. Each block supports 1 model. Like you can see, it's this iPhone 12 mini. And this machine have 85 blocks. So it supports maximum 85 phone models. Of all these blocks add up together, the full capacity of the 4K is 595 cases together. It's almost like 600 cases. So this is the biggest capacity in the industry. Yeah.
Nice. Are the phone cases universal? Where do I get more cases later?
Sorry?
Are the phone cases universal? Where do I get more cases later?
I'll take one. The case is not universal. It's customized. We customize the phone case and the holder on the board. So you have to get from us.
What the size and weight of the machine?
Okay.
Can it be moved?
One moment, please.
What's the size and weight of the machine?
One moment, please. One moment,
Okay.
please. One moment. Let's close the. The size of the machine, and the lungs is the length is 1.5 meter, 50 equals 55 inches. And this side is, the depth is 85 centimeter. It's 0.8 meter. It's about 35 inches. And the height, please take all of it. Please take all of it. All the heights including the light is 2.2 to 2.3 meter. It equals to about 90 inches. 90 inches. And the weight of this machine, when you full load, it's about 380 kilogram, about 800 pounds. And the machine on the bottom, we have the wheels, so you can move around very easily. And there's a video we can show you. Even an Asian lady can move it very easily. Okay, next please.
So what kind of power does it need?
Electric power?
Yeah.
Oh, for US it's 110. For Europe it's 220.
Okay. So what payment options does the machine accept?
Well, for this machine, it's both credit card. This is credit card. It's the cash reader. Put it inside. And we have a very unique latest technology. This is the TikTok coupon. It's a TikTok coupon. You can do a marketing activity on TikTok, and you can give your fans, followers, a TikTok coupon. Like you can get a free 4K coupon, and when they get the coupon on the phone, they go to this machine and scan the TikTok coupon, and he will get a free 4Ks or like some discounts off something. This is really new and only we have.
How do credit card payments work?
Well, the credit card payments we get from it's called the company Nayax. The Nayax, we will register information for you, and when machine arrive, Nayax we can take you to set up your bank account, something like.
Oh. Can I add my own logo or brand to the machine?
Oh yeah, sure. Please take a look at all of this. All the stickers you can cover by your own design, designs, and also like the topping, the deco lights. You can customize to fully customize to your brand. Full brand. For example, you can put like this is your logo. You can put it on top, something like this. And there is a lumen light. Okay. Oh. Okay, next please.
How does the custom design process work?
Well, it depends on the sticker. We will not able to change the hardware structure. For example, the windows is this size. It cannot change for you if you order a regular quantity of order. But we can cover the sticker to the whole machine body. And on the topping decoration lights, it's 100% fully customized. And condition one, if you have your own designer, we send the source file to him, and he will finish the design and send to us. And option one, if you don't have a designer, don't worry. You tell us what you need on the graphic and the words and pictures and everything, your logo, your brand, anything, send to us, and we will work out a design and send you to confirm. Okay. Next.
What supplies do I need and how much do they cost?
What the supplies you need is, let's open the I'm sorry. 不好意思，我看看。老板这个要我来刷。I'm sorry, too many customers today. It's a bit noisy. The supplies you need is the phone case and the boards, and we offer for you. And the second is the ink. Second ink. Phone case is one regular phone case $2, and you sell it for $20, 20 Europe in Europe, or 20 to 25 based on your location. Okay, and the ink, one full set of 4 colors together is $200. And it lasts for almost 6 months, so you don't need to worry about the cases. Okay, next please.
How do I restore supplies?
All the cases ink you get from us, we send by air 10 to 15 days, send by sea 50 days, 50, send by sea. Okay.
How do I place an order?
Okay, sorry. If you want to start order, you can sit down. Okay. Okay. For example, once you're ready to order, we will sign. Too many customer. We will sign contract with you, and then you pay 50%. And you pay 50% deposit, and then we start the design and production. Once the production is finished, you send another 50% to us, and then we ship the machine. I'm sorry, we are just off work right now, so there are too many workers. Okay, let's move to next.
What payment methods do you accept?
Louder. Speak louder.
What payment methods do you accept?
We only support wire transfer. It's called TT, and we don't accept financing. We don't accept financing, and full payment is needed before shipment. Okay.
Okay. How long will it take to get the machine? How long will it take to get the machine?
Production takes 20 days, and then shipping takes 50 days. So it's gonna be 7 to 80 days when you get the machine from the moment you order and get the machine. 7 to 80 days. I'm sorry, it's real, okay?
Is shipping and customs included in the price?
Yes. We will do the shipping, custom clearance, and paying tax for you. And you only need to waive at your door. We will send to door price.
Is shipping insurance included?
Yes. Shipping insurance is included, but shipping delay is not in the insurance. So if you have a very actual contract date with the mall or your location, please make some more time space for your contract. Okay, this is very important.
So is there a warranty?
Yes, we offer 3 years warranty, 3 years, and lifelong support.
Okay. What kind of support do I get after the purchase?
We will make a group chat, real-time group chat with you, with your team. We have 10 after-sales engineer and your team into a group chat, and you can contact us in real time. Okay.
Okay. What should I do if something breaks?
If something breaks, if it's a software issue, we will fix it remotely by internet. But if it's a hardware issue, we send the parts to you. Fastest is 5 days by DHL, and normally take like 7 days.
Okay. Do you provide marketing materials or tools?
Yes. Once you order, we will offer you all the marketing materials you need. Okay.
Okay. Can I take a video tour of your factory?
Yes, of course. And firstly, we recommend you to check out this video because this video is a full video tour you have. And then if you need one by one video tour, we need $100 just to prove you are very real and ready for order. And this guarantee money, and we call small deposit, will off on your real order, no problem. Okay.
That's all.
Wow, it's really tired. and okay, thanks for today's video and my colleagues as well, because today is very noisy. I'm sorry there's too many customers here. Please notice that you can download this FAQ list on the video description and also from our website. This is it. Goodbye. Bye.